Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Class UKG, subject English, and the topic is sound of SH. The sound of SH is sh. Sh. So, ship, SHIP, ship. Shark, SHARK, shark. Shower, SHOWER, shower. Shampoo, SHAMPOO, shampoo. Fish, FISH, fish. Shoe, SHOE, shoe. Shirt, SHIRT, shirt. Shorts, SHORTS, shorts. Shed, SHED, shed. Shake, SHAKE, shake. Wash, WASH, wash. Dish, DISH, dish. Push, PUSH, push. Shut, SHUT, shut. Sheet, SHEET, sheet. Shape, SHAPE. Now we will write some words of SH sound in our notebook. Here I have written 10 words. This you have to learn. Thank you.